this one romantic scene that takes place on a balcony with a pretty boy down there who's calling me fair at risk to his personal safety. We met at a party that my daddy threw that he really shouldn't have been at. It was totally epic and overdramatic, and love at first sight is like that. Oh, I wanna be Juliet, but it hasn't happened yet. Hope my Romeo won't forget to come and get me. In less than 24 hours, through his romantic powers and a chat with a priest and a nurse, he'll propose and I'll accept, not in person, but whatevs, 'cause this dreamy guy talks in verse. We'll have a wedding night of bliss, and we'll do way more than kiss, and I bet we'll do the nasty. In the story they're only 14, so that's kind of obscene and a little inappropriate if you ask me. But I wanna be Juliet, it just hasn't happened yet. Hope my Romeo won't forget to come and get me. Starts to sing, you'll have to sneak out of my bed. Won't see him all day, but by night time again, my husband will be banished. My daddy'll try to marry me to some other guy, and the priest'll help me pretend to die. And the next time I see Romeo, I'll be in the crypt, and he'll be dying on me, and I'll kill myself. This story's kinda shit. I wanna be Juliet, it just hasn't happened yet. Hope my Romeo won't forget to come and get me. Ooh. Now the bard's always had the right words to say when it comes to matters of the heart. We told all his stories over the years in music and ballets and art. And Orange is a good one, except for the outcome, 'cause they both die in the end. But Shakes wrote some others with plenty of lovers, and no Montagues versus Capulets. I don't wanna be Juliet, and it hasn't happened yet. So maybe Romeo can just forget to come and get me. He can just forget it. Talking of Romeo, turning up in my garden in the middle of the night, he's kind of a creep. Wasn't he just in love with Rosalind like only last week? Why do I want to be Juliet when I can be Portia? Totally save my man's best friend in a court of law. That's awesome. Or I can rock up like Viola, nab myself a duke, and get my brother hitched to the most eligible bachelorette in town. That's rad. Or I can be Rosalind, hang out in the woods for a while, teach my man how to love me, and get me my dad all his power back. Great idea. No, I don't wanna be Juliet. Thank God it hasn't happened yet. And Romeo can just forget to come and get me. He can forget it, just forget it. 'Cause I don't wanna be Juliet. Thank God it hasn't happened yet. And Romeo can just get lost.